Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone. It stopped raining, the sun just came out, and now you're looking at a 1979 Ford F150 ShortBox. New bumper, grill, stainless. You got your 35-inch wheels, very nice. All the chrome strips in excellent. A little step stool, nice mirrors. This one little spot right here, as you notice, it's got the slider, rear slide windows, nice step bumper, tow package, everything nice. It's got the mat underneath the bed. Other than that, not bad. Very good. All this thing is very nice. Door panels, carpets in good condition, leather interior, two-tone, black and red. The dash, very nice. Got a little small crack, but it's hard to see. Here, engine compartment, very presentable. You got an upgraded radiator. It's got a 390 4-speed, which is very nice. Door panels, seats. It's kind of cool. Everything's cool. Very nice. This is the best part, you know? Turn the key and it starts right up.